Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas, and I'm back with another fun craft. Today I thought we would make ribbon dancers. Ribbon dancers are a length of ribbon attached to a stick of some kind, and kids can play with them by twirling them, making them go to music, all kinds of fun things, running through the yard with them. So it's a good way to get kids up and around and doing something fun and creative. For this craft, what you'll need is some ribbon, and I'm using the ribbon with the wire in it, and I'll show you why in a minute, a chopstick or an unsharpened pencil, some scissors, and some strong tape. And for the ribbon itself, it'll vary how long you want it. You will need a length of ribbon as long as your child's arm span. So that's the perfect length for a ribbon dancer, because you don't want that ribbon so long that they're tripping on it. They should be able to flick it out and flick it back, and it's perfect if it's just their arm span. So you round up your supplies, and I will meet you right back here. Okay, so I've got my length of ribbon, and I'm using wired ribbon that I just bought at a big box store. And the reason I'm using the wired ribbon is because I want to use that wire. If you have floral wire, you can use that to secure your ribbon dancer, but if you look closely, you can push the wire out. And that's what we're going to do with this one. We're just going to take the wire that's in there. It's hard to see, but you can see it's right there. And we're just going to remove the wire from the ribbon. You might want to have mom or dad or your older sister or brother do that for you. Just going to pull that wire out all the way down through your ribbon until the ribbon comes out. And I'll do one for you. Looks like that. There we go. Okay, so there's my wire. Can you see that? All right. So now once you have your wire removed, you're going to take your ribbon, and you're going to put it like this. Let me lay this out so you can see it a little better. Put it so it's right on top of there like that. And you're going to just roll it right up like a burrito. Wrap it right around the end of that, the fatter part of the chopstick. So now we've got our ribbon wrapped around the end of our chopstick, and we're going to take the wire that we removed from the ribbon, and we're going to just wrap it all the way around this. Can you see that? We're wrapping it all the way around the ribbon. Just keep going, starting at one end, wrapping it until it's completely wound up. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm going to snip off the end of the wire. This one is pretty long because my arm span's pretty long. So now we have a ribbon with this wire wrapped around it. The only thing left to do is take a piece of strong tape like duct tape, and we're going to cover that wire. We don't need that showing. All right. So I'm just going to take a piece of duct tape, like that. I'm just going to roll that around the end, and that gives it a more finished look. Yeah, like that. Okay. And that is all there is to it. And now you can get out and really have fun with these ribbons. I'm going to just kind of see. You can roll them in a circle, wave them back and forth, set them to music. It's just a real fun way to get out and have a lot of fun with some ribbon and small supplies. All right, that's it for today. I will see you next time with another fun craft or game. Bye for now.